Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a get ready with me. Now I've got such a busy day today. I've got so much to do. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to just turn the camera on and I'm going to do a get ready with me. I hope the camera is okay. I'm not cut off or anything. The weather is absolutely Baltic. Like it is so cold. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do like a basic kind of face for the day. I have already put just a tiny bit of tinted moisturiser and just some gloss on my lips. And I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. And I'm so not a, what do you call it? I'm so not a, what do you call it? Makeup artist or anything. So, you know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take a bit of foundation. And I'm going to mix it with the Illamasqua foundation. Because this is quite pale. And it's really hard to get out. Got my coffee with me as well. I've got a coffee because I'm so like tired. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, that's what I do. So I just kind of mix both together. Some coffee. I actually spilt it all over my cup. So how have you all been today? We're just going to do like a little get ready with me. You know, nothing kind of major. I'm just going to use a brush just to kind of blend it all together. And I've got a mirror here actually, guys. So I'm going to just look into this mirror and just do my face. And I'm just so excited to go away. I just really can't wait. It's not long. I think I'm going to put this out before I go. Because it makes sense, doesn't it? And I'm going to apply it with a brush. Like, I don't really do this often, but why not? Now, I am so pale, I think, guys. I've just had, like, such a crazy... Let me just check if it's recording. Okay. Do you know what? My worst nightmare is if it's not recording. I've just had such a crazy few kind of days. I have managed to get my camera fixed. I took it back. So that was all right. Oh, it's just absolutely mental, guys, if I'm honest. So what I'm going to do, so this is the makeup. It looks very pale. Oh my God. But like when I go away, I hope I catch a tan because I don't want to like, I'm going to switch to a sponge. I don't want to like, not come back. So yeah. That's my face done. Now this foundation I think is really, really nice. I like to mix both because it gives more of a kind of glow to me, I think. And I like high coverage, but this provides kind of a sheen, I think, which is kind of cool. I always forget to do my ears as well. So yeah, it's just been a crazy week, guys. I've just had nothing but stress. Like, it's just been so stressful. Next, I'm going to just use some concealer. This is the Makeup Obsession Mega Concealer. I'm just going to, I love this because it's really, really thick. Now, a lot of you have been saying you wanted to see some get ready with me's, but I don't think these do very well, if you know what I mean, guys. I don't know. But I like them. Yeah, I've just had a bit of a week. I forgot to tell you guys, I also got my phone locked out. So, you know when my phone was playing up and I thought, right, I'm gonna like, I'm going to just restart it, you know, reboot it. I did that and it was just nothing but hassle. It was honestly a living nightmare, to be honest, guys. And I couldn't get back into my phone. And obviously I don't have anything like that. I've only got an iPad and you can't get onto, apparently you had to restore the phone via iTunes. I don't have that, so I had to go to get it sorted out the day after. Oh, it's just been like I know it's been like, for, you know, to normal people it's like small things, but for me, it was kind of like smaller things to me. I like the worst things. Sorry if I'm not looking at you guys, but oh, it's just been a nightmare. So I just can't wait to go away, to be honest. Absolute crap all over this cup. Oh, this is so good. So what I've got just like a gold roast coffee with like cream instead of milk and just a tiny bit of sugar. It's so good. So yeah, it's been crazy. So that's my face. I'm gonna now do some, it's just gonna be a very quick get ready with me because I'm not gonna go all out because it's like my everyday kind of look. Just some bronzer. Now, I would like to try some more bronzers, guys. So please tell me, you know, recommend me some new bronzers that you think are amazing. Because I'm a bit bored of this one, to be honest. It's just a bit blah to me. I'm going to use, what brush am I going to use? God, I need to clean these brushes out. Oh, they're terrible. I'm going to use my trusty, look at it's Hit Pan. Which one is this? Too Faced one. I love this. I think it doesn't matter. If you have a really light foundation, it doesn't matter as long as you've got a good... Oh, the makeup gurus do that, don't they? As long as you've got a good bronzer, I think you're okay. This kind of looks quite patchy, I think. I don't know if it's the brush. Let's try a different brush. I think this might be the brush. Yeah, that's better. I do like to put quite a lot. I just think it revitalizes you. Obviously do the... Oh wow, that's a lot. Oh my god. And the nose. And the jawline. And then I just kind of smooth everything out with a beauty blender because I do sometimes go a bit hard. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed my kind of mukbangs. Okay, so yeah, might do a kind of eyeshadow look. I don't know. So yeah, it's just been crazy, guys. I've just been really in with the stress. How have you all been? Can't see this is picking up very well. Is it just me? Okay. So next I'm going to do my my brows. So this is a very, very quick kind of makeup tutorial. Not tutorial, I hate tutorials. I fucking hate tutorials. I just think the makeup community is so overly saturated. Everyone's doing it. It's just like, get over yourself. I've got no time for it, babes. What am I talking about? So what I'm going to do, you know my eyebrow routine by now. So I just kind of I've got my Anastasia spoolie brush. So yeah, I've not really got much to kind of say today, to be honest. You just have one of those days where you just feel like, ugh, melancholy. I feel a bit like that today. A lot of stresses, a lot of daily stresses. I know it'll be okay though. It's just like things just get on top of you, don't they? But this week has just been insane. It really has. So, you know the deal with this. So I'm just gonna carve, then push up. I've kind of gone off kind of thick brows lately. It's like, I don't know, it kind of comes and goes with me. So now I'm like into kind of thinner brows. I love this pomade. It's really, to be honest, I think it's a bit dark, but taupe is not a very dark colour, is it? Ooh. I'm just going to brush out. I like fluffy brows. I don't like crazy brows. Yeah. Wow, I'm loving them. I just can't wait to come back from holiday and do more videos for you guys. I've got so much planned. Like, you're going to die when you see this review that I'm going to do. Like, oh my God, it's a clothes review and it's from my favourite person in the world. You're probably going to guess. You're probably going to know right now after I've told you. But it is just going to be amazing and I'm so excited. So what do you think of my brows? Are we loving it? Next, I'm going to do my winged eyeliner because I love my winged eyeliner. It's everything and more to me. I'm going to do this first. This takes a lot of concentration, so. There we go. Oh, I like that. Let's do this one as well. Always one that doesn't go quite right. This is a bit longer. Oh, it's a bit higher as well. Oh, fuck it, it'll be fine. All I can smell is this candle. It's just honestly amazing, guys. It's so amazing. I use the mini jawbreaker. I like this one. I'm going to use Slice. This is like a kind of highlightery colour. I'm going to go for a gold. I hope it's still recording. So let's do this. Slice. Let's do a bit of Slice. Oh my God, look at the pigment. Oh my God, it's just to die for. Wow. I'm going to do Slice, which is a gold kind of shimmer. You all need to get this palette, guys. It's just insane. Look, oh my God. I really love gold. So I'm going to just tap it in. Then I'm going to use a kind of fluffy brush just to kind of, they're all dirty. I need to wash them out. I don't want orange. It's an orange one. Just going to use this brush just to feather everything out. Oh my God. Hello, pigment. Oh my God, it's so amazing. That is gorgeous, isn't it? Then I'm going to just do a slight, I'm going to do, should I do a bit of hot fudge at the bottom? I don't think I've ever used this one. Let's do that at the bottom. Should have done my winged eyeliner after, shouldn't I? Ooh, I like that. And just kind of clear up any edges. Oh, yes, baby. Loving that. What do you think, guys? And then I'm just going to finish off with some mascara. I just use this. I don't even know what this one is, to be honest. Oh, God. I don't even know what this mascara is. I think it's like Millennium by Rimmel. No, Max Factor. I don't know. I do think it's good, though. Love that. Oh, my God. Mmm. Oh! Why do people do this? I honestly think someone just does this on purpose. I think someone just comes out every time I do a video. Oh, let's bring in the neighbour. Let's bring in a fucking fire alarm. Let's just do it. Let's just do everything we can to fuck up Fabio's video. Shut up! Like, if you thought this was your car, wouldn't you just go and do something about it? Like, wouldn't you just go outside? For fuck's sake. I'm going to do the... I hope you can hear me, guys. Bottom lashes as well. This is really... I hate doing this part. I really, really hate it, actually. Like, how are you supposed to do your bottom lashes with a brush like this? It's like a fucking shovel. Let's try a different mascara for that. Let's try the Benefit Brow Wiz. Is it called Brow? No, Roller Lash. Oh my God, shut up now. Why is someone not coming out and seeing if it's like their car? I don't get it. Oh, I'm really liking my eyebrows and eyelashes. So that's done. I'm going to have to wait a second till this fucking alarm shuts the fuck up. Yum. So, let's brush my hair a bit. I'm really not feeling curly hair anymore, guys. Like, I don't like my hair when it's curly. I don't know why. It just makes it look... It just makes me look weird. Like, it doesn't look very, regulated. I don't know. Right, now I'm going to put some blusher, guys. I'm really sorry about the noise, but what can I do? I'm going to use just this brush. I don't know what it is, but this is really good for blusher, I think. And just kind of sweep right at the top. Oh my God, it's getting louder, isn't it? Oh, fuck's sake, shut up. It doesn't look like I've even got any blusher on, does it? I'm going to put some more blusher on. Okay. I'm really sorry about this, guys, but what can I do? Okay. Oh my God, I'm really liking my eyes. Are you guys? So next, what I'm going to do my lips. So I'm just going to get rid of this lip gloss I have on. Okay, and then I'm going to, I'm just loving the Spice by MAC at the minute. I really am. I just think it's the best. So I'm going to put this on my lips. Now, I like to contour my lips, not just like... Yeah, not just put it everywhere. Just make it so it's contoured. Oh, God. I'm sorry about that light alarm. It's just not going off, is it? Oh, I like that, guys. That's really good. I'm just going to dab off a bit. It seemed a lot. I don't know if I like that. Ugh. That's weird. I'm not feeling it. I don't know why. I put it on wrong because of this sodding alarm. The final touch, you know, I'm going to do my highlighter. So, oh my God, look at that. It looks so good, doesn't it? I also like to put, you know, I like to do this. I don't know why. I love it kind of above my brow bone. I think it just accentuates everything. And there we go, guys. What do we think? What do you think of my lips? I'm actually in love with this. God, my lips look huge. Oh my God. Are we liking it? What do we think, guys? What do we think? What do you think? What do you think? I feel like I need to take some off. It seems so harsh. I hate it when it's looking so harsh. So guys, that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I am just, honestly, done with this alarm. It's literally just been going off, hasn't it? I'm so sorry about it, guys. Fucking hell! So annoying. Guys, I'm gonna go. I love you all so much. I'm about to go out. I'm about to go out there and just tell them to shut the fuck up with this alarm. I'm sorry. This is ridiculous. I hope you've enjoyed my look. I'm really feeling my eyes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.